Welcome all of my fellow homeowners. Today I wanted to go ahead and share some tips for you guys for maintenance around the house. Let's get started. Tip number 1, conduct regular inspections. You can go ahead and walk around your house every quarter or so and look for wear and tear, including loose shingles, leaks, or cracks. Tip number 2, keep up with routine maintenance. You want to make sure everything in your house runs smoothly. To do this, you want to ensure you're scheduling on a regular basis to do things like cleaning the gutter, changing the HVAC, or getting it maintained. Tip number 3, maintain your outdoor spaces. On a regular basis, you want to mow your lawn, remove debris from around your house, trim the bushes, just keep your yard looking presentable and groomed at all times. Tip number 4, practice fire safety. On an annual basis, you want to inspect fireplaces and chimneys if you have them, and of course, smoke detectors in your house to ensure your family's safe. Tip number 5, embrace cleanliness. On a regular basis, you want to go ahead and clean and declutter all the living spaces to maintain a healthy and inviting home environment. Remember, taking care of your home is an ongoing journey. By staying proactive and addressing issues promptly, you can enjoy a happy and healthy home for years to come. I hope these tips inspire you to become a proactive homeowner. Let's cherish and care for our homes together so that our community can thrive. My name is Jake Sharp. I'm with Beaufort Dream Homes by eXp Realty. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy your day.